these things real? How did you do this over here? And because of that hunger, I was able, by his grace, to even understand, to even test of the manna that the children of Israel ate.
Wow.
I was able to test it. I picked it up.
Was this in a revelation or?
Not in a revelation. It happened for 5 days.
Physical.
I would go to the same place 5 days consecutively and physically picked it up, and I tasted it. I know the taste of manna.
Wow.
Okay, but hear this opportunity. I would try to maybe. The 6th day, I couldn't find it. Though according to the Bible, it was the 7th day, they couldn't find it. I couldn't find the 6th day. Because I had this desire to want the people also to have a taste of what I had tested. I knew it. No one was ever going to believe